in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Morrow County until 9 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mount Gilead, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Cardington, Edison, and Chalk. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.